In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing transactions from your bank or credit card in QuickBooks Online in just under 5 minutes. So, if you're tired of dealing with discrepancies between your actual bank statements and your QuickBooks records, stay tuned to learn how to fix this quickly and effectively. To begin, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to click on the Sign In button on the QuickBooks homepage. Once there, you'll see an option that says QuickBooks Online. Select this option to move forward. Now it's time to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password and then click Continue. After you've successfully logged in, head over to the Transactions tab located in the left-hand navigation menu. This area is where all of your uploaded transactions will be managed. Next, you'll need to select the Bank Transactions option. This will open up a more detailed view of your financial activities. Once you're here, the next thing to do is to select the specific account you wish to upload the missing transactions to. If you have multiple accounts listed, make sure to click on the correct one. Now focus on the right side of the screen where you'll find a Link Account drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and from the options given, select Upload from File. This option allows you to manually add transactions that were missed during automatic uploads. After selecting Upload from File, you'll be prompted to either drag and drop your file or manually select files from your computer. Find and choose the downloaded file containing your missing transactions. If you're unsure about which format to use, QuickBooks typically supports CSV or Excel files, which makes it convenient if you've downloaded transactions directly from your bank. Continue by selecting the file, and when you're satisfied, click on Continue. At this stage, QuickBooks will show you the transactions available to import. Carefully review these transactions and select the ones you wish to add to your account. It's crucial to make sure everything matches up correctly with your bank statements to avoid any future discrepancies. Once you've selected all the necessary transactions, click Continue again. Finally, you'll need to proceed through a few prompts. Follow any additional steps presented to you until the process is done. QuickBooks will confirm when your transactions have been successfully imported, and you should now see them listed under your bank transactions. By following these simple steps, you've resolved the issue of missed transactions and ensured that your QuickBooks records are as accurate as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in keeping your financial records up to date. If you did, consider subscribing for more QuickBooks tutorials and financial management tips. Happy bookkeeping!